Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about something that affects us all, food. With so many options available, it can be hard to know what's healthy and what's not. Let's break down the difference between healthy food and unhealthy food and explore what you need to know to make informed choices. Healthy food. Healthy food is nutrient-dense, meaning it provides our bodies with the vitamins, minerals, and energy we need to function at our best. Examples include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Healthy food = nutrient-dense. Unhealthy food. Unhealthy food, on the other hand, is high in empty calories, added sugars, and unhealthy fats. Examples include processed snacks, sugary drinks, and fast food. Unhealthy food = empty calories. Label reading. When shopping for food, it's essential to read labels and look for keywords like whole grain, low sodium, and no added sugars. Be aware of portion sizes and serving sizes too. Label reading = make informed choices. Portion control. Even healthy foods can become unhealthy if we eat too much of them. Practice portion control by measuring out serving sizes and eating mindfully. Portion control = balance is key. That's it, guys. Now you know the difference between healthy food and unhealthy food. Remember, a balanced diet is all about variety and moderation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Subscribe to my channel for more engaging and knowledge-filled content. Comment below with your thoughts on healthy eating. Like and share if you found this video helpful.